This is the 2025 Freightliner Cascadia. I'll start with the steering. It has a cruise control button situated on the steering. It has a Bluetooth button. This is the driver assistance that Schneider uses. It's basically we can track the speed of the vehicle in front of us. It's kind of like a radar. Also, it tells us how fast we are approaching the vehicle. Also, if you see a triangle, orange triangle right here, that's a blind spot monitor. It lets us know if anybody is in our blind spot in the passenger side of the whole tractor and trailer. So that's a cool feature Schneider has. Other stuff is our DAF. It has our diagnostics, so we can figure out what's exactly wrong with the truck. If we have a check engine light, utility lights, so whenever you're trying to back your tractor trailer in the dark, you can just hit this button. Another cool feature at Schneider we have is the kingpin release button. So what that means is if you drive a truck, you know pulling the fifth wheel that's under the trailer can be challenging, especially in the winter. So at Schneider we have a kingpin release button. Also, the cool feature is we have a light test button. What that does is whenever you do your pre-trip, if you hit the light test button, we have all the lights on the truck come on and on the trailer, which lets you see all your lights are operating or not operating. It lets you know which lights are not operating so you can fix them. Other one is lane departure. It lets you know if you're drifting from your lane. And then we have the hillside assist. If you're trying to climb on a hill, it lets you stay at your spot without rolling back. It has a differential Interaxle lock, which helps you to gain traction. If you're stuck, it turns your truck into an all-wheel drive, so really helpful in the winter. In a tractor trailer, we all have air brakes. We do not have a handbrake. So the air condition and the climate control buttons are all in very close reach. The mirrors are all heated mirrors. We have a button right here that we can turn the heater on of the mirrors. So if it's raining or if you have snow on your mirrors, there's a button we hit right here and it turns the heat on the mirrors. I like that system. I use it a lot. Alright, so let me go to tablets at Schneider that we use. Schneider provides us a whole tablet that's basically all in one. So at Schneider, we did not buy our own GPS. Schneider provides us with an inbuilt truck GPS. We also call it as the ELD, electronic logging device. What that works is, as a truck driver, you all know we gotta be electronically monitored. Every minute and every hour of a drive got to be recorded. If you want to try new equipment, new technology, new features, join Schneider.